back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a very beautiful modern art painting. So now, it's the time to... No, it's not the time to disco, but it's the time to paint. So now, let's start. I made the drawing beforehand, and in this drawing, I have made two pots. So now, it's the time to paint this part. To paint this part, I am using this purple color. We are done with painting the purple part, and now we are going to paint this part using brown color. We are done painting with the brown part, and now we have to paint these two pots using black color. We are done painting with the black pots. Now we are going to make some stems over here using olive green color. We are done painting with the green stems, and now we are going to make designs in these two black pots. We are done making the designs, and now we have to make the outline of this part and this part using black marker. Now your modern art painting is ready. Thank you everyone for watching. Give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay home, stay safe.